Right here in Iowa, Governor Reynolds is going to announce plans today to support Iowa's food banks and pantries, with thousands of Iowans set to lose those benefits tomorrow.
And Local 5's Megan McPherson is live outside the Capitol this morning with what we're learning about the state's response. Megan.
Yeah, Dana and Joseph, we have heard it since the shutdown began, November 1st being the key date to watch as several federally funded programs stand to be impacted by this ongoing government shutdown. Now, Governor Reynolds plans to discuss those plans that you just mentioned during a news conference here at the Iowa State Capitol later this morning. And with that midnight deadline just hours away, if the government is not reopened by then, about 131,000 Iowa families stand to lose their SNAP benefits. Now, Reynolds says that the Iowa National Guard is being put on standby to help with food distribution. She's also directing state health and volunteer agencies to mobilize support for pantries facing major strain. Also, starting Monday, the state will match cash donations up to $1 million for Iowa's 6 regional food banks. And Reynolds says that private partners are already stepping up as well. And this includes Iowa Total Care, Molina Healthcare, and WellPoint Iowa, each pledging $100,000 to help fill the gap. We've also seen support pledged from Iowa businesses in the private sector. And we also heard from education advocates Thursday who believe that the loss of SNAP benefits will create a food crisis.
Real lives are at stake. Our children are bearing the brunt of your gridlock. Every day this shutdown continues, the crisis deepens. The strain on our food banks, schools, and families grow heavier.
Governor Kim Reynolds says she has also directed the Iowa Department of Health and Human Services to hold regular calls with food banks and food pantries to discuss their needs. Now, also for families with school-age children who are concerned right now about the impacts of this, school districts, this includes Des Moines Public Schools, are encouraging you to reach out to them. You can get in contact with your community school coordinator or another staff member. Also, many schools, many districts have pantries somewhere in the district. So again, a lot of resources available for families with concerns right now. Live in Des Moines this morning, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.